Good morning, sixth grade students. I am going to model for you how to be an active reader when reading The Human Microbiome. The Human Microbiome, a world inside of you. I wonder, a world inside of you, what does that mean? Is each person's body its own animals, plants, and molecules? Or does this mean something else? I'm going to take a moment to highlight this title. So I click and I drag it across, and then I can highlight it. I can also click on it and add a note over to the side. So I'm going to add, what does this mean? And then I'm going to save that, and that will stay with your reading. There's a world filled with strange creatures. The creatures of this world are invisible and they're not human. Aliens sometimes threaten to invade the world these creatures call home. This world is not a far-off planet. It's your body. The creatures are called microorganisms. If you click on microorganisms, the definition will appear for you to see. But I know you sixth graders already know what microorganisms means. If I click back on that vocabulary word, the definition will disappear. I'm going to go back up to aliens, and I'm going to highlight that. If I click on it again, I can change the color that I highlight that word. I'm going to leave it with green because that's my favorite color. But when I think about alien, I think about, something far off in outer space that's a fictional character or creature. But I haven't really seen the word used to describe something inside is what I think is describing here. As I look back to these first 10 sentences, this world is not a far-off planet, it's your body. The creatures are called microorganisms, and your body is home to more than 100 trillion of them. I realized that I answered my question up here. So I can click back to my sentence, and I can quickly edit it and write the answer that I found, which is, it refers to the microorganisms in our bodies. And then I can save that again. Microorganisms live on your skin, in your gut, in your nose and mouth, and pretty much everywhere else on and in your body. I wonder how many microorganisms live on my skin. This reminds me of the microorganism observed in the agar plates in the Petri dishes. I'm going to record this connection so that I can remember my thinking. And there I have saved and recorded my connection to part of the reading. Students, when you record your annotations, make sure you do it in note form. You do not need to worry if your sentences have correct spelling in your annotations. The annotations are simply to reflect your reading and understanding. Don't worry about spelling or grammar at this point. The purpose of your reading is to create a record of your thinking as you read. This is an important skill to work on. When you are finished with reading the article, I will have you think about 2 annotations that you made and be prepared to discuss those tomorrow with a partner. Thank you.